In this video, I'm going to talk about the HPC user environment setting. If a system is constantly upgraded, there will be many different versions of the software package which use the same name of executable and the libraries. How to manage this kind of environment? The environment module provides a tool for the dynamic modification of user's environment. This tool is the module files. Since the HPC installed many softwares and some has different version of the softwares, so we are going to use the module file to manage user environment. There are several basic module commands. A module help is the help of the module command. Module list will list all current loaded modules. The module avail will list all available modules. After you type in module avail, you will see two sections. One is default available modules, and another section is the shared modules. The module load will load the module into your environment. Module unload will unload the module from your environment. So before you use the red HPC, you need to find out what the module you are going to use, what the environment you are going to use, what the compiler and application you are going to use related to the particular module. So the module is the first step you need to know, and before you really can run your application. Okay, here I'm going to show some examples. The first one, when I log in, I'm going to use module list to see what is my current module was available. The default has two. One is GCC, another is Slurm. This is the default, everyone going to have this one. So when you see the GCC there, you will see, when you type the GCC and to look at the version, you see the GCC is 7.2.0. Okay, the Slurm is already installed. And then you want to know what is available for you. When you type module avail, and you will see these long lists. Okay, here you will see there are two sections. One is CM local module file. This is the local one. OpenMPI shared. Here the section one is shared. The Intel one is our system license. We bought the license for Intel. It's a package including many applications. You see here Slurm is 17.11.5. That is the default install there. And probably you want to know is Anaconda, that is Big Data Analysis Environment 3.7, ANSYS, that is ANSYS Fluent software, CUDA, you see CUDA 80, CUDA 90. You see here has Hadoop. MATLAB is here. MATLAB is R2018B. MPI has, you see, has a different version of the MPI. Python here had 3.6. Okay, this is all of current available. If I'm going to install a new software, I'm going to add another module file at here. Okay, here let's make another example. Let's try Python. What is a current version of the Python? The default Python version is 2.7.5, and we know here has another Python module list. You see the default Python is 2.7. If I want to use that Python 3.6.8, I need module load Python 3.6.8, and then I'm going to see what is my module. You see right now I have this Python 3.6 is available there. If I check what is the current version of the Python, Python 3.6 version, and then this is the 3.6.8. Okay, Here you see the difference. When you use the Python, it's going to 2.7, and then if you want to use 3.6, and then you need to use that command Python 3.6 version. Okay, it's here 3.6. Okay, the same thing, you can module and load Python 3.6.8, and then you will see module list, and right now it's only 2. Okay, another example, if you want to use module load, by the way, here, since you really cannot remember the long one, you always use the tab. For example, when I type load, I type M, and then tab, and give a tab, and then it is going to automatically fill your command. Okay, this is the module list, and then you will have your MATLAB environment was installed. MATLAB version, you see you'll get into the MATLAB. It's good. And module list, you have this one. So also you can and load tab method, and then module list, and here you go back to your original. Okay, most likely you just need to know the module available, module list, module load, module unload. There are certain more other commands related to module, and then you can find from module help, and here has the full list, the command to get help. Okay, I'm stopped at here. Thank you very much. See you next time.